Hi, this is Angie Pierce, and this is a tutorial on how to use the Alabama Virtual Library website, and one of the many databases that you can use to search is EBSCO. Now what I've done is I have went to this website right here. It's the Alabama Virtual Library, and this is what came up. And then if you scroll down, these are the databases that you will see. There's tons of them, as you can see. The one that we're going to use today is EBSCO host, EBSCO host, and I'm just going to click on that. And that will take me to this, where I will see this search bar. As you can see, you can enter any words to find books, journals, and more. We'll just use something here like classroom in the technology, because that's a recent one that I have researched. Technology in the classroom, I'm sorry, I said that backwards. Okay, and then I'm just going to hit search. And it will bring up 18,072. Now that is a lot of articles. So I want to narrow that down a little bit. To narrow it down, I can click full text. I can limit it to references available, scholarly, peer-reviewed journals, which is what we are going to use most of. And I also want to click this again. Well, I want to stay with full text because I do want the full text. Now, if I'm wanting something really recent, I want to change this, let's say within the past 2 years. So we're going to do 2017 to 2019. As you can see, that's already narrowed down to 505 results. Here's some more things I can narrow down. I just want a journal. I don't want books or reports or any of these other things. Let's do academic journals. Okay, and you can just play with different things here. There's different databases that you can search. And when you click on these articles, I'm going to click on this first one. It will tell you the author, the source, the availability, peer-reviewed, yes, and it will tell you all of these things. And you can read this in full text. This is a full text article, so I can read the whole thing while I'm here. And that is just a little bit on the Alabama Virtual Library. That's just one of the many databases you can use. I hope this is helpful to someone.